Hey there, folks. Welcome to today's unboxing by LV Elevators. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing some special items from two wonderful sellers on eBay. Alright, let's do it. Please remember, a box cutter is considered as a weapon. And please remember, I am pointing this away from my body. And please remember that a box cutter is meant to be used on boxes. Let's see what this is. Oh wow. Oh wow, look at this. We got an access key switch. Now let's see what the next item is. There's just some grocery bags there. Okay. Time to unbox the next item. Actually, I found it. There's no need for me. Okay. We're gonna take this item out. I'm gonna do it off video really quickly. Sorry about that. And here we go. We're gonna try and open it without damaging the item. The seller packaged this very well. Man, oh man, this thing is hard. He really packaged this thing well. Finally got one end off. We're going to use the box cutter. Alright, just fighting with it. Hold on for just a second while I get it out. And you try and cut this item. Here's what the item looks like. Yep, that's right. It's an Otis black button COP. An Otis black button COP. See? And now, gonna unbox the other item. Here's the second item. Here is another Otis black button component. Well, but anyways, this will do the video. Thank you for watching. Like the video and subscribe. Have a good day, and bye.